But I honestly can't hear that thing at all. Okay, just...
I have a blue tongue! Bam! Stab it closer! No, it's a good idea. We should keep them.
Come on.
No, it's a good idea. We should keep them. Alright then. Take your pick. Whoever wins... Damn it.
What?
No, it's a terrible idea. Yes, we should keep them. No, you shouldn't. What are you doing?
What?
Invincible dish!
I'm falling backwards on you. Dang, my abs are pretty hard.
What? Hey! Oh, crap. Hang on.
I can't see so well.
I feel like I'm taking
Move the green screen bit.
Oh, this didn't work. Ah! Woo! Yeah! I feel like a dork! Whee! Are you okay, dude?